Let's start Java. Previous class I discussed about the condition checking. Now I discuss about looping. It is the most important part to know the how to looping in any language. Okay, now let's see how to looping in Java. In Notepad I write class. Suppose this is our project 3. Okay, here public static void main string args. Okay, different types of looping present here, like for loop, while loop, do while loop. Okay, at first I discuss about for loop. So what is the syntax of for loop? For, here is initialized, first portion is initialized, then condition, and then increment or decrement of the values. Okay, this is the main syntax of for loop. Okay, so what is initialization? Suppose I write here a is equal to 1. That means the value of a is 1. I declare here integer a. Normally we write this method, we use this decorum in C, but in Java we can initialize it in here also. We write here integer a is equal to 1. What is the condition? Suppose I want to display 1 to 10. A is equal to 1, a less than is equal to 10, and the third part I increment a is equal to a plus 1. We can write also a plus plus here. Okay, now I print here system dot out dot print a. Okay, so what is the logic here? A is equal to 1, that means a initialized by 1, and then this part is condition part, and here a say am I less than is equal to 10. If the condition fulfill, then run it. After that a become 2, because in third person we write here a plus plus, that means a is equal to a plus a 1. That means now the value is a is equal to 2. Then again check it, 2 less than is equal to 10. If yes, then run. Suppose we run this program in 10 times. Before after 10 print, it's become 11, the condition are not fulfilled. That time we exit from for loop. So let's start and first save it in same locations, and the class name is project 3, so the file name also same, project3.java. Save. Now compile it. Where the DOS, using DOS we compile it. Java C, name is prj3.java. Okay, here some errors. What is public static void main strings? Here we write strings, not strings. it is string. Highly cache sensitive, so it is syntax error. Okay, save again, run. First CLS, compile it first, java c project3.java, compile. Now run this file project3, write the bytecode, and output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, I want to print it 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, so I just write here print ln, that means \n right here. Okay, so what is the output? Now compile first and run by the interpreter java project3 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, suppose, so it is so easy. Suppose it is print in from back, that means 10 to 1. So what to do now? Just write here 10, and the logic is now a greater than is equal to 1 and decrement the value a minus minus, that means a is equal to a minus 1. Save it, run it, compile it first, java c project3.java and java project3. Okay, 10 to 1. Clear? It's so easy. Now I write the loop in different format. While so I write here while loop, while a greater than is equal to 1 and initialized here a is equal to 1 to 10, a less than is equal to 10. Okay, now write the data type integer a. Now print here a. Now increment part, right here a is equal to a plus 1. We can write this here a plus plus. Compile it again, error, so here must be a semicolon. Save it first, compile it and run it. Okay, 1 to 10. Now I want to see here the multiplication table of 19. So it is so easy. We write here just multiplication into 19. Okay, let's see what happened. Java C and write the program here. Okay, it's so easy. 19 multiplication tables are there. Now we do the same job in do while. Okay, so we can write here we cut it, Ctrl X, and write here do and condition part right here while. Okay, so syntax is do while, do, then execute, then while. So it's check the condition in last. Okay, but for loop and while loop we check the condition first. Now I not 19, suppose 15 tables. You remember it? Yes, semicolon must. Now compile it and run this program. Okay, now the 15th. So we learn here do loop, while loop and for loop. Now we become the smart student because we already know how to input, how to condition checking, and today we listen how to looping. Now today we are now do a important program. It's called Fibonacci series. Okay, so what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci series looks like 0 1 1. How to 1? 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, like that. First over we look over only these portions. We display only 0 to 8 here, this 7 value only. Okay, then focus on n. So for loop int k is equal to 1, k less than is equal to 7, and k plus plus. Okay, now system dot out dot print. Okay, what value I want to print? Suppose, now what is the logic? Suppose it is A and it is B. Now A taken the value of B, now A become B and B become A plus B. Okay, it's so easy. Let's start the program. Suppose taken integer A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. Okay, now print here A. Let's see what is the output. 70 will be displayed because A value is 0. Now compile it. Run it. Okay, I want to gap here 0 space 0 plus space 0, like that. So you just type, say, using separator and then use space. Okay, compile it and run. So space here. Next, now the logic use here. So A is equal to B. If we write here A is equal to B, A lost his previous value, actual value. So first taken the value of A before A use the new value. So that means X is equal to the previous value of A or old value of A. Now B is equal to the old value of A plus present B's value. Okay, compile and run here. Okay, the Fibonacci series is ready. Now it is up to n. that means it is user defined. Okay, so not 7 here, we use here n. So declare here n and taken the value from user. Scanner, suppose name is SC is equal to new scanner system dot in and taken the value from user in n is equal to sc dot next int must be capital I in T. Okay, now the scanner is present in the header file is import java dot util dot star. Okay, let's see what happened here. CLS. Now run the. Now I want to display 10 elements. So write here 10 and it display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, and most interesting program. I hope you understand it. Thank you.